Hello YouTube, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I'm cycling around Nagoya. As you can see on my behind me is the Nagoya castle. It used to be the home of the Tokugawa shogunate here in Japan back in the days of the samurais. So I'll be cycling around this area and then taking some photos, which I'll be posting on the video up on the screen now, or maybe later on. So I hope you enjoy this afternoon with me here in Nagoya. It's still COVID-19, so I'm wearing a mask just to protect myself. I've got a tripod and a 70D Canon. I have a kit lens and my 70 to 200mm L lens, and also my wide angle Tamron. I'll be using those lenses to capture some good images, which I'll be posting on the video. So cheers! I'm on the other side of the lake. I was over there earlier on and then I got the last clip. I'm here, and if you look down there, these guys, they think that I'm gonna feed them, so they're flying, swimming around close to the wall and opening their mouth. Behind me is the Nagoya, or the City Hall. That's the Nagoya City Hall. That one. Currently at this park, Tsurumai Park. It's got a really nice pond here. So I'm using the Tamron 11 to 18 millimeter. Try get a wide angle on the 70D. So there's a small island in the middle of the pond, so want to get the reflection of the island against the and see how it goes. So this is the reflection of the island. So I'm trying to capture it on a photo using the Tamron 11 to 18 millimeter. Beautiful reflections.